For this video we're going to talk about tangents, and mainly tangents to ellipses. First off, what is a tangent? A tangent is a line that touches a curve, meaning it can be a circle, can be an ellipse, can be a hyperbola or hyperbola. We haven't seen the last two yet, but it can be a line that hits a curve at one point. In this video we're going to talk about a tangent that hits the ellipse at point P. So we're given the point of contact. For this question we must have our focal point 1 and focal point 2. We don't need a major axis, and from that, that's about it. The only thing we can do so far is, what jumps out at me is, let's just join F1 to P, and let's join P to F2. So there we go. That's all we really can do, even if you don't know what you're at. The next step is we're going to bisect this angle. So F1, P, F2, let's bisect this angle. To bisect an angle, you're going to put your compass on P. You're going to draw an arc on both of these lines. The smaller you make it, the more difficult it is, but the bigger you make it is, the more confusing it could be in a later question. So draw it a little, maybe 20 mil or 15-20 mil. You have to find this point and this point, and I put your pointy compass on one of these points here. Draw another arc. Doesn't matter if you make the arc bigger or smaller, as long as it's big and bold and you can see it. Then keep your compass on the same, move it over to here and draw another arc. But to find a point. If you had a bigger radius, it'd be up here, it'd always be bisected. So from here we're going to join this point to P, nice and light, and we're going to follow it on. If you remember from drawing a tangent to a circle, we always find the normal. This green line here is the normal. What can you remember about a normal and a tangent? I hope you can remember that a normal and a tangent are always 90 degrees to each other. So to set this up, you need to go 90 degrees. There are a million ways of doing it, but it's very important that you practice these all the time, because it'll take a while to get the hang of spinning set squares around and whatnot. What I want you to do is focus on a set square and an edge that are 90 degrees to each other. So these two are 90 degrees to each other. Align one of those edges, which are normal, and then put in your other set square down below it. After that, slide it down until it goes through P, and then you can draw in your normal, or your tangent, pardon me. The other way of doing it is, we have this angle here. So if we continue F2 through P until it gets to here, I can just bisect this angle and it'll go make this a tangent. But we don't find the normal that way. Now, construction notes, make sure you fill these in. Join P to F1 and F2. Bisect the angle F1, P, F2, F1, P, F2. The bisector is the normal of the tangent, so if I said that's the normal of the tangent, and there's our tangent. So tangent is a straight line that touches a curve at one point only. This point is called the point of contact. The point of contact is the intersection point between the tangent and the ellipse. The normal is a straight line that passes through the point of contact and is perpendicular to the tangent. So that's a 4-minute video. Watch it again if you understand it. Make sure you know this for tomorrow's lesson, as we're going to be doing this at least 3 times to get used to it.